Good morning everyone, I'm Dr. Inder. So today is my case of a repair case that I did for him in 2018. So it has been 3 years now. This is his fourth hair transplant because I have to do in stages, slowly, like a test graft and see how he responded, how much the graft has survived, and he's doing so well. So today he has come in to give him more of an aesthetic look for his hairline and his temporal points. He was a case of artificial hair implant done in his hometown in 2018. So he came to me and we removed the implant. It was necrotic, false smelling, and he had some kind of a scarring there. So we did in stages. He was very unhappy. Today he's so happy with his results, and he just wants to top up a little bit, and then today it will be more of an aesthetic look for him. So today my planning is to touch up his temporal points which he lost, and then if you look very closely you can see there is some scars here. So today I'm going to fill up the area. So I'm going to fill up in between his hairline and then again the temporal points. So we look like this, and then you look down a little bit, so look the side angle, and then this angle. His donor density is still very good. So today we're going to do partly shaven method for him. So what is going on is derma roller at the donor area. So this is done if a patient is doing a second or third hair transplant. So we do derma roller over the donor area so that the healing and a better results for the donor hair to grow back. So derma roller at the donor area before we do the bandage. Hello Dr. Inder. So kemarin doktor dah tunjuk gambar sikit doktor buat facial yang buat semalam, and then hari ni lepas cuci inilah gambar dia. Facial ini special sikit sebab case ini ialah repair case. Facial ini dulu tersilap buat implant, hair implant di bahagian depan. Hair implant tu tak sesuai dengan dia. Lepas tu dia jadi necrosis, dia jadi infection, and then dia mai jumpa doktor. So doktor buang yang itu, and then slowly we buat test graft sebab dia ada scarring. So we didn't rush into hair transplant. Kami buat pelan-pelan. So kali ini kali yang keempat dia buat, tapi kali ini doktor buat aesthetically untuk dia, untuk nampak cantik. Yang ini the first hair transplant is 2018. So it's already now 3 years. Today I did aesthetically for him, hairline dengan tengok temporal points. Hari ini temporal point and another temporal point. Sebab patient is very concerned about his hair. He comes, he asks a lot of question. Memang dia nak rambut yang cantik. Dia kata rambut is very important to him. So doctor explain to him, slowly we do test graft, and then slowly now is the time for him to do the aesthetic look. Tengok berapa cantik. So dia mesti nak sabar sekarang untuk tengok results yang ini. So macam mana you tengok dulu yang kali ketiga you buat pun you dah tengok rambut banyak dalam 2 bulan, 3 bulan.
5 sampai 6 bulan dia semua sudah okey lah. Semua ada sampai sini. Dia panjang dari sini sampai sini. First 3 bulan dia panjang sikit, tapi yang lain dia ada yang dia belum tumbuh. Tiba-tiba 5-6 bulan lah semua satu kali dia sudah panjang lah saya tengok. Macam ada 90 to 95% semua hidup lah macam.
Yes. So mula-mula you datang you ada ingat tak? Mula-mula you sini ada itu rambut implant dia. Masa itu you berapa susah hati ya you ingat tak?
Ya itu semua macam apa tak tahu lah, semua sudah rosak ni kulit lah.
Rosak, necrosis, bau. He had necrosis because it was an implant artificial hair and it didn't suit him. He did in his hometown in Ipoh. So that was totally wrong. My advice to everybody, do not do artificial implant hair. It will never suit you. What you must do is natural hair transplant. Take your hair from behind and put it in front. It is natural and it will suit you and it will not cause you any complication and infection. Betul tak? So sekarang tengok banyak cantik. So of course doktor yesterday cukup sikit lah dekat sini, so that doctor can do a better planning. So yang ni, tapi very soon rambut ni akan hidup, so you don't need to worry anything. Bahagian belakang, doctor did partly shaven method. So yang ni pun dalam 2 minggu rambut ni pun akan tumbuh balik. So patient will look very presentable. He can go to work, no issue. So okay, so gembira sekarang?
Gembira.
Gembira, So gembira dengan Dr. Inder? Dr. Inder the best?
Best.
I told my patient, yang ini is a repair job. It's not easy. You need an experienced doctor to do this repair job for him. And I look at him, I told myself that I can do this repair job. So nowadays, there's a lot of repair job that I'm doing in my clinic. Banyak repair. Banyak orang datang buat repair. Hairline tak cantik, hairline sini atas, sini bawah. Semua banyak orang sekarang dia orang pergi buat tempat lain, semua tak experience. Mai dengan doktor repair, doktor buat elok. Faham? So saya very experienced, even repair job saya boleh buat.
Yalah, saya tengok sudah buat ini kali keempat first, second, then third semua dia punya result bagus, saya baru balik Jika tak bagus, saya memang tak akan balik
Yes.
Free saya pun tak balik
Free pun tak mau
Tak mau
you see? And my price also is very reasonable. Saya tak charge a lot, my reasonable, and I really did a good job for him. I took time. When he come and do 1 week before he do, I go back at planning. I look at his photo, how exactly saya nak buat.
Yalah, dulu saya buat itu implant saya sangat regret Saya spend about I think 40 to 50,000 just do the hair implant Finally do the implant that one no good just like a lot of scarring like this and then a lot that one like busuk-busuk itu macam kulit rosak semua dekat sini sudah penuh. Akhirnya kadang-kadang ada bau juga. Orang tengok saya ambil isteri, anak tengok, ini apa ini semua itu kulit macam rosak ni Saya pernah pergi jumpa Ipoh punya orang ingat mau buat transplant Itu orang tengok saja cakap, ini tak payah buat lah ini semua rosak ni barang, kamu ingat kamu buat transplant boleh hidup kan? Tak payah buat lah. Dia pun ada cakap macam itu. Tapi biar tak sana bukan selalu ada banyak patientnya lah. Akhirnya saya search online dapat Dr. Inder ada buat Ipoh pun ada, tapi Ipoh dia punya harga tinggi sangat. Then saya tengok Dr. Inder ada buat dekat online saya pun datang sini first time cuba datang. Mula-mula saya ingat mau kasih Dr. Inder buat depan, tapi Dr. Inder tengok pun cakap ini dia bukan sekarang buat sebab dia ada banyak scaling. Dan dia tengok sebab dia sudah janji mau buat 2000 craft dan dia pun tengok saya sini pun ada sikit kosong, dan dia buat sini dulu sudah buat sini. Dan saya tengok after beberapa week saya tetap memang ada banyak rambut memang terus tumbuh. Dan saya pun sangat rajin buat PRP untuk kasih sini repair sebab Ipoh pun boleh buat PRP saya buat lebih kurang 1 tahun saya jumpa Dr. Inder balik then second time dia boleh bantu saya buat sini. Then another about few months then dia lagi buat lagi bawah. Then this time is the fourth time fourth time sebelum datang saya memang sangat puas sebab tengok sini semua depan banyak rambut tapi dia mau 5 sampai 6 bulan dia sini semua dia tumbuh dari sini panjang sampai sini then kali ini datang dia buat macam cantik untuk saya macam ini